Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, here the daily candle, it's finished here and it's finished very small, guys. Look at it. Look at that one. Right to give you here like a small doji or a small morning star, and that one is normal, guys. But the most important, it finished green like that. So even tomorrow is going to finish low volume, guys, because as I tell to you, Saturday and Sunday, there is no big volume. Look at the volume down, guys. Very dry volume, no volume. So let's wait in Monday what the volume is going to bring to us, because till now there is nothing. And tomorrow, guys, there is weekly candle finishing. So I'm going to come back to you and update you. So what is it here in the daily, guys? In the daily, guys, also we still in a very downtrend, guys. That one is the short term here. That one is the short term trend. The long term trend is that one here, guys. Look at it. Let me show it to you. The long term trend, guys, is that one. As you see it here, that one is the long term trend, guys. It might the Bitcoin to go back to touch it here, then after that a big drop happening. So here there is nothing yet, guys, and here it gives us another trend line. As you see it, it's near to be broken, that one, but that one you can follow it 100%. Me just make that one here as you see it, and I'm waiting that one to be broken. So it's right from here we are going to enter till the 200 moving average, maybe till here, till that zone here, guys. Then we're going to see what's going to happen in the future, but till now also we're still waiting. There is nothing confirmed. And as I tell it to you before, there is a pushing going to come. Then after that, a big drop till 10K. And that one is going to be the bottom. And I'll show you all those things before, guys. I'll show you all those things. So we need to make a close eye and follow us and follow our videos every day, guys. Also, we put in 2 videos for you analyzing the Bitcoin. And yes, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's very simple. It will not take you that much. A red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, or you can even join us in Telegram to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and welcome to the family. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. And yesterday, what did I told you about the news? I tell you yesterday there is a Fed member, his name Mary Daly. That woman, she's the first person who said the Fed is going to tighten in and to start hiking the interest rate, and that's what's happening. And the Fed members, let me show you something. It's very important in a newspaper of USA. That the newspaper, the Wall Street Journal, guys. I think that one, everyone he know it. So as you see what me I told you, if you're reading the full article, guys, if we're spending here 1 year reading all those things, we are not going to finish. But let me to resume it for you to tell you what is it there. The Fed here, they saying the Fed, even if they started hiking interest rate and even if they hiking interest rate by 0.75 or 75 points, they don't see any result yet. And that tightening, it's hurting the economic of USA more and more. So maybe them that month, which is coming, they are going to ease a little bit. So that one is going to be very good. And that one will go into our side. That's what me I told you. I told you Bitcoin is going to make a correction. Then after that, a big drop. And that here, if them they stop tightening and they ease a little bit, the Bitcoin is going to make that move, guys. Then after that is going to drop, and that's what me I've been telling you, guys. But macroeconomical, guys, also we're still in a very bad moment, and the Fed he know it. That's why they are going to ease a little bit in the coming month to stop that, because them they know macroeconomical is going to come very bad, because you know what's happening now in the war is getting more bad and bad. And now China and Taiwan and all those things, every day we hear the news. Tell me stop listening to anything. Always switch it off the news, because those things is very bad. I think everything is too clear. It's going back now to the chart to show you more, guys. So what me I told you, guys, I told you the Fed is going to stop tightening, maybe that depend in the coming month. If they stop tightening, you're going to see the Bitcoin going higher till here. Then after that, there is a big drop going to Cam, guys. It's going to go till 10K. By the way, let me be honest with you. Me personally, I put orders, pending orders. I haven't buy yet. I put pending orders at 15K and another one at 12 something. 12K 500, I think. Those ones pending orders, because when that big move happening, guys, you can either, if you want to send money to open the brokerage, it's going to go back up because it happened just by a tell. That's why me I put in those orders there. And me last time I buy from here, from that zone here. So till now I'm not winning, I'm not losing here. And me I told you now everything about my plans, guys. I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what did I told you? Here in the 4 hours, guys, also we used to have here a channel like that. Yes or no? And we said when it's getting broke here, we need to enter, and the stop loss of us, we need to put it down here. Yes or no? And those candles here, what they showing, guys? It came a green next to it, a red. Yes or no? Let me show it to you. If we zoom in like that, what you seeing, guys? Green candle, then next to it a red, then after it a green candle. What that indicating? Over here there is a war, guys, between those day traders and scalpers, but for long-term investors there is no one yet. And here what did I told you? I told you got here a big head and shoulder here in the 4 hours, guys. Yes or no? I told you if it's getting broke here, you're going to see the Bitcoin going higher. Did it break? Not yet, guys. It needs to break the 200 moving average, guys, for us to know it's going to reverse upward, guys. So here in the 4 hours, guys, there is nothing confirmed. Also, we're still waiting. There is going to be the right time. And here, look at here at my chart what I got me. That one here, the downtrend. As you see it, also we are next to it, guys. If it's going to be broken here, we are going to enter again. Take profit is going to be here, the top of that daily channel, guys, here. Then we're going to see maybe from there we are going to drop till down till 15K or 12K, guys. I think everything is too clear here. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it, helping us. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other. So helping us, guys. Other people, they just give you garbage analysis and they got millions of people. So helping us, guys. Just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. And if you could even share that video. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Let's go now to see our indicators, guys. That one here, guys, what else we said in the last video, you can find it still in the channel. We said, is it here? When we are here, we said us here, we are not going to buy and we are not going to sell, because us here, both of them, buyers and sellers, they are equal, guys. Yes or no? Now, it might from here to break down and to go down till the oversold, or it might from here to go up, and that one what me give it more chance to go up till here, till that white one. And after that we're going to see it dropping, guys. I think everything is too clear, and I'm going to come back to you when it's going to break here, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification to receive all our latest updates and videos. Us, guys, every day we're giving people the following us signals here. Every time we give them very highly accurate signals from professional people. So we make them very decent profit from all just that sideways market we use out now. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. That one here, let me tell you the signals also we gave here. We started from here, from that zone here. Also we give a signal here to enter from that candle, and we take profit here. That one we don't enter in it short. We give here a signal because we used to have here a head and shoulder, and over here we take profit. Over here we used to have a double top like that. We enter in it short till down here. Yes or no? Over here we enter till here. We take profit. Now here where we are, guys, our indicator is at the oversold. We are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Third things you got here, a head and shoulder, guys. Yes or no? Did it break? Not yet, my friend. Not yet. And another thing you got here, what is it? That one, the price action me I'm focused about. Is it that one, guys? That triangle we have here. If it's breaking here, you're going to see the Bitcoin going till here, guys. Till 22,500. So stay tuned, guys, and watching all our videos. You don't know when it's going to be broken. When it's going to be broken, also we're going to update you guys. Everything is too clear? So over here, it's not yet, guys. It's not yet here in the 4 hours. Let's see now 30 minutes, guys. What is it there for the picture to be more clear to you? Here in 30 minutes, guys, if you remember what else we said here. We said we got here a head and shoulder here. No, it is not that clear, but we said it here in previous videos. And also we enter here because of what? Because we used to have here a channel like that, guys. Yes or no? We enter here in that zone. Over here, I told you in the last video, over here to take some of the profit. Now, what it's showing you here, guys, look with me here, like that, and like that. What it's showing you is a flag, guys. Yes or no? And here, in that smaller here, what it's showing you is a cup and handle, guys. Now, it might don't want to break up, then it's going to go higher, guys. Why? Because look with me, that flag also we draw in here. Look with me how I draw it like that. If you came from down, where is the lower of it? It's down. If it's breaking the higher, you're going to bring it like that, guys. It's going to go till here. And that level here, what is it? Over here we got, let me show it to you. Over there we got that level also we got, guys, that yellow level here. But that one, that the first scenario, guys. The second scenario, what is it? Let me show it to you. Second scenario, you got here like a small flag like that. If it's breaking down here, you're going to see Bitcoin falling down till here, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. So now what you need to do, just to wait in the break when it's going to happen. And also when we put every video, we'll update you. And how going to confirm for us if we need to looking for buy or for sell is our indicator, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Where we are at the overbought area, yes. And the price action, we got one here. That one me being showing you. The chart things, what is it? A very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. From here last time we fall down. From here last time we fall down. And when we came to it, we couldn't break it high. Yes or no? And now you are in it, guys, and the market doesn't got any volume, guys. Look at it, very dry. So now if the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes, I'm talking here about scalpers, guys. If it came and break it lower here, that channel, you enter short. Take profit as I tell it to you down here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.